Good morning, pregame crew. How are ya? Hope you're doing well. Starting a little later than normal. Chart issues, but you know, I'm here. We're going to look at the markets. Let's see. So we rejected yesterday. We rejected Tuesday from the 26 EMA on ES. So we're still in an uptrend on the daily and the 4 hour. I need to chill out. I still have 3 minutes before I need to go live. So we have data at 6:30, 8:30 my time? Yeah, we have some data. No, it's not today. Wake up. Wake me up before you go. No data at 8:30. We have data at 9:45 and 10 a.m. today. All right, let me say hello to my friends and get my groove. Stella needs to get her groove back. Pop out chat. Good morning, Shake and Bake. Sunshine and happiness. I'll take it. Hey, Greg. Hey, Night Truck. Hey, Tom. One-liner. Thank you, Night Truck, for the AV check. Crypto Cat. Mike. Sir Fernando. Hey, Paula. Spaceball. Hey, Tess. Success. Ramon. That's very nice. Let's rock it, Jill. I'm with you. Yeah, marijuana is on fire today, and that will definitely be my focus. Hey, Ippy Man, Make Believe, Ray, Fat In, Mal, Michael, thank you for that. I'm feeling much better. Hey, Casey, Dollar Tree. Pain level is below 5 now, so we'll take it. The rib is the broken rib is the problem. The 3 broken vertebrae I can handle, but it's the rib that's ribbing me the wrong way. Hey, Al. Thanks for asking, Tom. Hey, Danny, Skyper, KK, Hattie. What happened to my neck? I hit my nightstand. I had very, very low sodium, and I was confused and had no spatial awareness, and I was trying to scoot off my bed, and I fell and hit my nightstand. Thank you. I appreciate all that. Thank you. We have such a big day with FOMC, which y'all already know that I go over this every time. This is what we do with FOMC. The first reaction is not always the real reaction. Stair step. Let me put that on a chart right now. Chart that I don't care about messing up. Stair step is your friend. Lower time frames. You can do a 1 minute stair step or a 2 minute stair step, and that is for day traders. The first reaction is not always the real reaction. Sometimes we get a reversal. We're popping. I don't see data at 8:30. Okay, just the market. Oh, market just saying hi. My broker opened. Sometimes we get a reversal when Jay Powell speaks at 2:30 a.m. Not a.m. Where's my head? p.m. Eastern. And then tomorrow, cooler heads usually prevail, overcome or override the algos, and that is the real reaction. FOMC day can be a huge day for really good ninjas. It can be a huge day, or it can be donation day for new traders. So this is officially donation day for new traders, money going from new traders to experienced traders. So patience is required. I can't tell you how many of these that I have traded, and at the end of the day, I'm like, dang it, if I would have just held. So be very committed to whatever your trigger in and out is. If your trigger is, as long as price is in a 2-minute stair step, holding the 2-minute EMAs, I'm going to stay long and vice versa. And then just stick with your plan. Don't just scalp. You can scalp out quickly, maybe 1/3 to get risk free, but you got to let it ride with FOMC. And if you're a TCG member, you can, let me go back out to the front so I can show you how to search anatomy. And it'll pull up anatomy of an FOMC reaction. I did this in July of 2022. It's still relevant. So it's a educational video for TCG members, and it kind of walks you through what happens with an FOMC typically. Man, market is rocketing. All right, let's get started officially. Since I am a mess today, I'm all over the place. All right. This is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori, and I'm part of the Chart Guys community, and we teach technical analysis. I love my job. I don't spam you. I don't. So if you're interested in some of the things that's going on in our room, you can follow me on X. I gotta start saying X, dang it. All right. So what we do here is we look at this table, which is pretty much bearish. It didn't get to 100, but I would still say we're on reverse back burner day for a lot of names. But the way I see it is we have trading from 8:30 to 9:45, and then I would not trade between 9:45 and 10. Who can't type? 9:45, that would be a trading window. And then 10A to noon would be a trading window. When does Powell speak? I'm doing my timeline for Pacific. I need to do, it's 2 o'clock, right? On Eastern, yeah. Till 2 p.m. you have a trading window. And then I would wait till Powell speaks. To 4 p. you have a trading window. It's just a little bit different than normal because we have data interrupting the day, and they are 3-star events. Here, there are 3-star events. JOLT and ISM that's big data. Huge. Interest rate decision, huge. Let's get an update on the interest rate decision. I don't think anything has changed. The likelihood the Fed will change the federal target rate at the meeting. We're at 99%. I think I showed y'all this. Was it Monday or last? Well, I didn't do a lot of pre-games last week, but I think I showed you this. It was 97% and 3%. So now we're up to 99% chance that the Feds will not cut, will not raise. They will leave it flat. So if they were to raise, abuse cover up, that's funny, Ippy man. If you saw me, you would not be concerned. I'm 5'10". Nobody's gonna mess with me. I'm a country girl. Nobody's gonna mess with me. But love you. Thanks for looking out for me. So we're at a 99% chance. So the market could see extreme volatility if we do anything different from this, meaning a cut or a raise. That would just, in my opinion, disrupt the market in a good way and bring volatility if you're a day trader. And I'll say it again, today is donation day for new traders. Sit on your hands. If you're not a consistently profitable trader, sit on your hands. Don't give money away. All right, Hang Seng was green. DAX was red overnight. Let's look at ES. I'm going to move the market dossier 2 out of the way. All right, so ES, what we got going on? If we tighten this up to the 8-hour, we are looking for an 8-hour higher low compared to 5022. I'm not counting this as a pivot because it was so puny, just real puny. And it looks even better on the 12-hour. On the 12-hour, we're looking for a higher low compared to 502225. So we are still in a 12-hour uptrend, but look at where we rejected. We put this on the chart live while I was in pregame, and look at where we're rejecting. Thank you, Bill. Y'all are funny. So 12-hour higher low expected, and because we had these on our chart, we knew this is a great area for bears to step in and give us some clues. So mark up your charts on important pieces of data. NASDAQ, same boat, 12-hour higher low is expected compared to 17308. Where did we reject? Daily 26 EMA, that's where it was at the time, and we rejected. Of course, it has adjusted since then, but that's where we marked it up and it worked. RTY. RTY, we are looking for a 12-hour higher low compared to 1965. And Dow has already broken the 12-hour support and the daily support. So the Dow is weaker than the other Fab 4. VIX is getting a little pop, but this still could be a bear flag. It could get up to 1720 and still be a bear flag on the daily. On the hourly, we have bulls in full control, plenty of room for an hourly higher low, which is not that great for the market. All right, Bitcoin is a headache overnight. A complete headache. I'm going to put that watch tool in chat. I'm going to try to put it in chat. There we go. That's the Fed watch tool. So with Bitcoin, this could be a bear flag as well. Yeah, we're right there, 58,215. If bears defend that level, this could be an hourly bear flag. On the daily, we are not oversold. We don't want to be aggressive bottom fishers when we don't have oversold conditions on multiple charts. That's the 4-hour. If you could hit that like button, I'd appreciate it. 4-hour, we have some bullish divergence here where we're making a higher low on RSI. If I double click it, you'll be able to see it more clearly. Right here. So we're making a higher low on RSI, but on price, we're making a lower low. You see it? So we could see if Bitcoin could get a bounce going on the 15-minute, which it is, and you could just put your stop below the last 15-minute higher low if you want to bottom fish this bull divergence. And then what other levels do we have? 56,500. Yeah, this is an area where it just boogie to the high side and did not build a lot of structure on the way up. So we're looking down at 50901, or you could use these prior resistances as support, 53,000. So we just don't have a lot of support in this area. Bulls need to get their act together and negate this bear flag. Ethereum, same boat, potential 4-hour bear flag. On the daily, we broke this 3850. We do have a support here at 2719. Yeah, 2719, we have a support there. So at least we have something to work off with Ethereum, which is a little less beat up than Bitcoin. Let's see what their retracement is. Nice retracement. They're up to the 50%. So maybe Bitcoin could be a laggard to Ethereum, and Ethereum is leading. Andre, I don't look at the flow of the blocks to give me a clue for FOMC. FOMC is a binary event. Unless you're in the committee meeting with Jerome Powell, or you're the wife of Jerome Powell and sleeping with him, you would know what the decision could be and you could front run it. But you don't know if those are hedges or aggressive bulls or aggressive bears, or, are they playing in the trend direction or counter trend for a hedge. And there's never an explanation that comes through with those dark pools. So I just like to mark up the price levels that the dark pool level came in and then used as synthetic support or resistance. So if I got a huge transaction on, let's see, on QQQ, if I had a huge transaction at 415s, let's say, say 413.61, this is how I would just say dark pool, and that lets me know bears or bulls may defend there. So that's how I use the data. Okay, where were we? Dollar got some boogie woogie. 4-hour potential bull flag. This is not great for the market. We double topped in this area, 106.517 and 106.395. We double topped in that area. We have plenty of room for a 4-hour high or low. That is really helping gold, but gold could still be a 4-hour bear flag. Bulls need to get to work to negate the bear flag, and that's not enough friends with you to pick this up. It's just like bringing two 80-pound 13-year-old girls to help you load, 20 hay bales, and they're not going to be able to do it. You need more friends. You need some strong friends. You need it to look like this. I was trying to think of a non-country reference and bring that back in, and I couldn't once I said it. Gary, do you, boo, and whatever you like to see, then that's you. I am a professional trader. I'm consistently profitable, so I'll use whatever the heck I want to use, Mr. Gary. Don't get me riled up. Oil is getting a little bounce. We have support down here at 80.01. And we had one at 80.70 we broke. So 80.01, we still have that support. 80.29 over here was a prior support, and we're bouncing from that area. Need to get over 80.93 to change the 15-minute trend. Got a little megaphone going on with copper. We're losing the 15-minute trend here. These numbers are the percentage that the price is away from the 4-hour EMAs. So I like to look at the 4-hour EMAs, and right now we're 2.67% away from it. I toggle these on and off depending on my trade. So I may use it as part of my thesis, and then I hide it when I'm actually trading. And all these numbers here are pivots, and they just shout them out for me so I don't have to hover over them to get them. Okay, nat gas is down 3%. Can't trust naughty gas. We're still holding 1916. We're still holding that as a daily double bottom, but we've got some serious bear pressure and bear momentum. You can see here, pushing price down. We could very likely break that. Apple, I need to go faster. Apple on the daily, we're holding the EMAs. They have earnings after hours. And we were looking for that lower high compared to 178.36 yesterday morning. And we got that. We got the lower high. So now we need that daily lower high we got. Now we're looking for that daily higher low. And let's see if earnings can bring it to us. Amazon. We're looking for the daily higher low. Did we fill that gap? 173.92. No, we did not fill this gap of 173.92, and we have a positive earnings reaction. They're bouncing more than their peers. We're up 3% right now. So Amazon is the bull trade for the day. Amazon is the bull trade, and AMD is the bear trade because they missed on earnings or guidance. I didn't read it, whichever one it is. Either way, it's an poor earnings reaction. Okay, so that was Amazon. Nvidia is really heavy, and that has a lot to do with AMD being down 5.8%, this NVDA weakness. So a lot of weakness is coming into semis. That's not good for the market overall. Tesla is slightly red this morning. We're looking for a 4-hour higher low. We're looking for a daily higher low. Your gap fill is 172.12 and your 50 MA is at 175. All right. CGC we have on 5-minute back burner. So I want to know, I'm going to put my back burner indicator on my chart today to trade these. So on alerts, I am looking for, tell me when RSI, I'm going to put 33. I want to they may be front running it. So tell me when it gets to 33. And then MSOS, tell me when it gets to 33. RSI on the 5-minute. And Netflix has a potential falling wedge on the hourly chart. Actually looks a little better on the 30-minute. It looked better this morning. It did not have this candle. So we're getting close to this support of 545.71. So let's call it a 4-hour potential falling wedge. That looks a little bit better. And we have a squeeze. And we have a gap down. So if we could just flush down to 545.71 and then get a 5-minute trend change to the upside, I think that would be a buy signal. Tilray, we're looking for the back burner. Tell me when RSI gets to 33. Okay, I did 33 on that one. I was wondering if I did 33. So that back burners, those are all of our Queen of the Mountain trades there. Ulta, that's telling me to stop. Ulta continues to just flush down. We are gapping down. If we could flush 400, we are looking for a monthly higher low on Ulta with daily oversold. If we could flush 400, I think that could be a long. And 401.01 is your next support. Then you're looking down at 385. Yeah, uranium names should have a good day as well. I just don't have the time to cover it all. And we have a potential inverse head and shoulders on XBI that I'll be watching. It breaks bull over 86.40. All right, that's it for me. Y'all use stop losses and have a great day.